Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. I spoke with you the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just wanted you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. And I'm going to show you some quick tips that are critical to bringing more traffic to your website and obviously more clients to your business. So when I'm looking at your website, it's a good looking website, but some key things that we need to focus on is content. We really need to add we need around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on your homepage alone. And then when we get to your other pages, we really need to focus on having more than just one page. We need pictures, we need content, and everything. So whenever I pull up the back end of your website, this tool I use is called Ahrefs. It shows exactly what's going on your website. So you have 0 organic keywords, and you have 4 referring domains and 9 backlinks with a domain rating of 0.1. So increasing content and backlinks and pictures and all that will really help your website. It looks like you've had some added here in the last week or so. So I'm not sure if you got an SEO company within the last couple of days, but whether or not that's true or not, we need to add more, and we need to focus on content and pictures. And whenever I pull up air conditioning Shreveport, I can't find you guys anywhere. And that has a lot to do with the fact that we don't have a lot of content, we don't have a lot of keywords, we don't have a lot of pictures for Google to help rank your page. And if we go to your GMB, we really need to focus on your GMB too. I don't think you have a GMB, so if we can set you up a GMB, it would really help you. Let's see. Yeah, so we don't have a GMB for you guys, so that would really help rank your website too, and that'll help bring in more customers. We can add content and pictures to that also. Whenever I pull up your top competitor is Southern Air Now. They have a pretty good looking website, but they're focusing on all the keywords that they service in. So we need to get this on your page. And whenever I pull up the back end, this is their keywords. They have about 1,000 keywords with almost 2,000 backlinks and with a domain rating of 28. And you guys are sitting right here at 0.1 with no keywords. So this is really crucial to ranking your website and bringing in more customers. Advanced AC is the same way. They have a decent amount of content, but the main thing is they have their services, and it's all right here. So this is really what we need to focus on, is getting all the services that you offer on your website, and then that way Google can help rank your website and get those on your GMB also. That'll help rank your website. And when we look at theirs, they have 188 keywords, 467 backlinks with a domain rating of 7. So that really helps them a lot too. So if there's any other thing that I can help you guys with, just come check out my website. Give me a call, 318-987-9274, or you can shoot me an email and we can chit chat about what we can do to help your business bring in more customers. I really appreciate you checking out my video, and any feedback would be appreciated. And if there's anything I can do for you to help you guys, just give me a call, and I surely appreciate it. Thanks a lot.